This is Anshuman Gupta. Welcome you all in RAS News channel. Let's see top news headlines of this week. Starting with some of the school news. The school will remain closed on April 10th and 11th in observation of Mahavir Jayanti. Now some CBSE related news. CBSE school shortened timing amidst heat waves condition in Vadodara. CBSE to upgrade OSM and pilot it for speedy re-evaluation in class 10th and 12th. Now some national news. Central approves 63,000 crore rupees deal for procuring 26 rifle MJs from France. Supreme Court to hear Waqf law challenge on April 16. Some international news. Donald Trump raises taxes on Chinese import to 125%, pauses tariffs on most nations for 90 days. South Korea opposition leader Lee Jae-myung announces bid for presidency. Then some entertainment news. Lee So-man's A2 Entertainment respond to allegations that Girls' Generation Sunny has signed with them. Now some education news. 14% of premier centrally run institutions including IITs, IIMs and central universities running without permanent head. Punjab class 5th result 2025. 99.54% students pass. Government school perform better. Then some of the sports news. Mohamed Salah and Virgil van Dijk make crucial decision on Liverpool future. Shooter Vijay Sidhu won India's first gold in 25-meter rapid fire at World Cup. And some other news. India approves purchase of 26 French rifle jets for Navy. Kerala CM Pinarayi Vijayan's daughter said to face many laundering probes by ED. And then some Scout Guide news. Various Kendriya Vidyalaya celebrated World Health Day on 7th April 2025 under the guidance of Scout Master and Guide Captain. Let's meet after a short break. Let's see these news headlines in detail. Starting with some school news. School closure notice. We are pleased to inform you that our school will be observing Mahavir Jayanti on April 10th and 11th. So the school will remain closed on these 2 days. Some CBSE related news. Amid the ongoing heat waves, schools affiliated with the CBSE have shortened their operating hours by 1 hour. The CBSE is set to introduce significant reforms including piloting on-screen marketing OSM system for the re-evaluation process during the boards in the academic session 2025-26. Some national news. The CCS headed by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday, April 9, 2025 approved a nearly 63,000 crore rupees deal for the procurement of 26 rifle and fighter jets from France for the Indian Navy. In exercise of the powers conferred by subsection of the Section 1 of the Waqf Act 14 of 2025, the central government hereby appoints the 8th day of April 2025. Some international news. Facing a global market meltdown, President Donald Trump on Wednesday, April 9, 2025, abruptly backed off his tariff on most nations for 90 days over as the further jag of the tax rate on Chinese import to 125%. South Korean opposition leader Lee Jae-myung, to be the country's next leader, declared his bid for the presidency on Thursday, April 10th. Now some entertainment news. Fan noticed Girls' Generation Sunny in a video uploaded by A2 Entertainment, a news agency established by Lee So-man. Now some sports news. As the Liverpool inch closer towards the Premier League, titled the Every Passing Game, then players Mohamed Salah and captain Virgil van Dijk are close to marketing a decision their contract situation at Anfield. Nusrat Fateh Ali and Ghulam Ali Khan were Vijay Sidhu's away celebration after winning India's first World Cup gold in 25-meter rapid fire in Argentina. Now some other news. India has approved the purchase of 26 rifle fighter jets from France for its navy. Two people aware of the decision said on Wednesday. A move aimed at delivering threat as rival China grows its naval presence in the Indian Ocean. Kerala Chief Minister Vijayan's daughter T. Veena, the Enforcement Directorate ED, is learned to be performing a money laundering case against them. Some educational news. 14% of India's 130 premier higher education institutions under the Ministry of Education, spanning central universities, CU, IITs, IIMs, and ITs lack permanent head, and one being run by vice chancellor and directors who are either serving in an investigator capacity or an extended interviews, according to an analysis by the Indian Express. The State Council of Educational Research and Training, secret, Punjab announced the class 5th exam result for 2025 on March 30. According to secret official, result will be declared at school level. At last but not the least, some Scout Guide news. Various Kendriya Vidyalayas celebrated World Health Day on 7th April 2025 under the guidance of Scout Master and Guide Captain. The Scout and Guide participated in several activities, including flag hosting, awareness campaign, and drawing and painting. That's all for today. Thank you and stay connected with RS News channel.